The ML Pro is a brand new light source designed for laboratory use. It contains a range of wavelengths of light, from white light, UV, through the visible and into the infrared, so it gives you full spectrum analysis. In this example, we're going to have a look at some accelerants on fabric. Here, as we move through the white light, we cannot see any signs of accelerants on the evidence. One of the features of the ML Pro is it allows you to perform a full scan across the spectrum. So we'll start with the white light, moving through the UV, the visible and the infrared. This then leaves us with 8 different images, which we can review and move through using the intuitive touchscreen interface. We can also create comparison images. So here we have the original white light image and evidence of the accelerants, now visible under a blue wavelength. These images can be saved, and the individual images or the combined images can be taken off for further review. Here in this second example, we have another example of accelerants, this time diesel on a red t-shirt. Here in the white light, we're struggling to find any trace of the accelerant as we move across the shirt. Now, accelerants can be most commonly found either with a blue-green, or a green light source. But here we're still struggling to find this accelerant. If we move into a red light source, we can actually start to see traces of the accelerant on the shirt. This shows why it's so important to have a range of light sources at your disposal. We can capture an image. If we also, on the software, go back into the white light, we can take a full overview image of the entire shirt. And then one of the best features of the ML Pro software is the ability to create a report. Here we have our overview image. We have our individual captures. And we can place our individual captures on top of the overview exactly where the stain has been found. We fill in a case name, a username, an exhibit name, and then we can save our report. This report will feature all of our case details at the top, our overview image with our individual sample image, and then at the base you'll have all of your individual sample images, including the lighting and the filter which have been used to take this image. This report can then be taken off the ML Pro software and placed into the case file, ready for review.